Alright guys, I am outside. Here is the doorbell camera, correct? You're seeing a live. You hear me kicking my leg. Now I'm going to get closer to the actual speaker of this so you can hear the static. That's the actual static you will hear. Now if I press this button, you're going to hear me on my actual doorbell. That's the actual doorbell. You're hearing that louder. Let me take that off. Now, I'm going to try to just increase the volume all the way up. Okay, increase the volume all the way up. You can barely hear me, right? But you hear that static, right? If I talk louder, you're going to be able to hear me better. Right? Now, do you get my point? You're going to hear staticky, which is the noise you're hearing on the actual Shanann footage of her getting captured coming in. It's not that loud. I turned this volume all the way up, guys. You can still hear that static. So the video I posted is the actual video with the actual audio unedited. Only thing it is, was zoomed in on Shanann to prove that she was not intoxicated. So, you can hear me clearly speaking, but I want to get closer here because this is what you're actually hearing. You're not really hearing much from me. Now I have the speaker closer to the speaker on the iPad. Do you hear the noise interference? That's the same noise interference on the video I posted. Hope this clarifies everybody's questions. And yes, this does pick up video and it does pick up audio. Here's me walking. Do you hear me walking? No. Now I'm gonna act like I dropped a bag. That was pretty loud. That's setting down a bag. So now let's get to... Hold on one second. To this part. Keep in mind, her doorbell is closer to her actual door and keypad. Mine is outside of it. But once I open this door, this camera should be able to pick up the other noise. So let's test this theory here. It sure did. Okay, I'm going to get this speaker onto the iPad. Did you hear it? You hear it? Do it one more time. And there you have it. Hope I clarified it all for you.